for everyone. Again, my name is Plus, and I'll be your host for tonight, and I'll be guiding you through the incredible journey of music and more. Of course, before we start our Busters Festival 2024 tonight, we would like to give a big shout out to the Infinity for partnering with us in this momentous event. The Infinity has been our partner since day one, so a big shout out to the management of the Infinity. Of course, the board of the Wendy, of course, mga Bites and the rest, mga tropa natin dun sa Bindilan. So shout out to you guys and thank you very much for, of course, supporting the busking community here in Pampanga, the local music scene, and of course, the indie artists here in our region. And ano pa ba? Let's kick off this festival with a big round of applause that we just did a while ago. And of course, we have amazing performers lined up for you guys tonight. Napakadami nating performers. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? There you go. That's how we do it. Now for tonight, it's a mix of acoustic performances, rap performances, singing, of course. Meron din tayong band later. We had our sound check a while ago, so please do stand by and enjoy the rest of the evening. But before that, as you can see here in our area here, ayan, nakikita nyo, meron tayong mga pwede tayong bumili ng mga drinks dyan and food, so please do check them out and do grab something. Food and drinks available. I think this is
Welcome to Pampanga.
Ecobar, ayan, hello. Please do grab something, baka naman. Meron din ako nakikita from Crabs and Crack, so check them out as well. And the rest of our, should I say, food choices. Ayan. Marami tayong choices for tonight, so let's enjoy tonight's event and to start our Busters Festival 2020. Let's welcome our first performer live here on our stage. Let's give a big round of applause to Joseph Tequino.
Wala tayo dala kwarta. May bayad na eh. Ganda dito. Nana ko ano na ko, upload. Kain tayo guys, crabs and crack. Saan ba nga baligya, diba?
Gusto mo na ako.
Sige pa ako. Lamay maano diri sakyanan. Sige. Picture te. Te, picture pasa lang sa kuha. Welcome to Pampanga, guys. Dito gumala kami. Nakarating na kami sa Pampanga. First time. Ayaw, pagpapuyuda. Sunod na daw ta. Order na na sila. Kain time. Pasok.
May kasama na po kayo, ma'am? Ayan.
Tara. Dire mi sa uli-ulihin. Dito ka te. Ay, si Kilo.
Ay, dito. Andre, dari siya. Wala nila kayo lang. Buat tayo na. Buat tayo ito na.
Ang.
Buat tayo na.
Kahit po ito.
Tingin mo gamit ako. Gamit tao ko sa mga tao. Dito na. Yung tao ko kunin ka yung tao.
Ay pa. Krabs.
Ano yan?
No. Crabs na.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Crabs. No.
Nalok sila. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Mahal, di ba?
Buhi pa na, no?
Uli natin.
Buhi pa natin. Buhi pa na. Buhi pa na.
Madlok siya, oh.
Ay, buhi pa, oh.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Gapang-gapang pa siya, oh.
Ano yan?
Crabs ng Pampanga, guys.
Yung magkababa, oh. Yung kagat mo, oh. Kagat paa mo. Kagat ganyan. No.
Teo, may libre wifi. Libre wifi. Libre wifi. Scan mo lang.
Ay, yung kagat ko. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
Dami mo mo. Damay mo mo.